Food for healthy bones. The healthy bones keep you active and agile. The aging process usually keeps your body deprived of many key elements that are vital for the growth and maintenance of healthy bones. The diet and supplements together make up for these deficiencies. The bone health is maintained by calcium and vitamin D. The intake of vitamin D along with calcium would ensure the proper absorption of calcium in the body. The daily requirement of calcium and vitamin D in adults is mentioned here. Adults below 50 calcium 1000 milligrams, vitamin D 200 international units, IUs. Adults above 50 calcium 1200 milligrams, vitamin D 400 T0 600 IUs. Here we have listed the 7 superfoods that should always be on your palate to keep your bones young forever. 1. Milk is the bone builder. Milk for bone is the known fact, and that is the reason why milk should be included in the diets for all age groups. The kids need it more, but daily a glass of fat-free milk is recommended for all. As per NICHD or National Institute of Child Health and Human Development, low-fat milk is always recommended for people of all age group. The fat-free or low-fat milk is rich in calcium and have no added fat, hence it is more nutritious and good for bone health. Apart from being calcium-rich, milk has sufficient amount of magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, riboflavin, and vitamins like A, B12, and D. All these contents together aid the absorption of calcium in the body, while regulating the overall health as well. 2. Yogurt. Yogurt is tasty, fun to eat, and rich in calcium. Those suffering from lactose intolerance may not be able to consume milk, but having yogurt would be a great idea. Yogurt is not just rich in calcium, but it is also fortified with vitamin D for better absorption. Apart from making your bones healthier, this superfood would also support digestion and work well for your skin and hair. Other dairy products like cheese, butter, cottage cheese, and buttermilk are also found to be calcium-rich. 3. Seeds and nuts. Nuts and seeds are rich in fibers, calcium, omega-3 fatty acids, and potassium. Including the nuts like peanuts, walnuts, pistachio, and cashew are rich in potassium and calcium that would offer you healthy bones and also maintain it. The oils in these nuts work for your bone joints and keep them lubricated without adversely affecting your heart health. Some seeds like flax seeds, melon seeds, and other low-fat seeds also have good effect on your bone health. 4. Eggs. Eggs contain vitamin D. The vitamin D in eggs would make up for 6% of your daily requirement, but there are many other benefits of having eggs, and that is why we call them as superfood. This vital vitamin is stored in the yolk of the egg and not in the whites. If you tend to remove the yolk from egg before cooking due to high calorie content, then you will have to change your habit, as this is the part of the egg that is rich in vitamin D, and if you have to compromise with some fat to make your bones healthy, then it is really worth it. 5. Spinach. If you think that calcium is found only in white foods, then you are wrong, as spinach amounts to 25% of your body's daily calcium requirement. These leafy greens are also rich in iron, fiber, and have a lot of vitamin A to meet your body's other requirements too. 6. Tuna and salmon. Research states that 3 ounces of tuna in canned form would provide 154 IU of vitamin D, that is 39% of your daily requirement. Salmon, on the other hand, is known to be rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and is considered good for your heart health, but at the same time, 3 ounces of this fish would amount to more than 100% of your daily vitamin D requirement. 7. Fortified foods. Fortified foods like cereals and juices are always rich in vitamin D. These foods have the right amount of vitamins that can be easily absorbed by your body. These 7 superfoods would make your bones healthy and give your body the agility and youth that you always longed for. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow the link below this video for more information.